hindi rin totoo na kapag daw nagbisikleta isang batang babae, masisira yung kanyang hymen, duduguin siya.
Okay,
Mm-mm.
good you brought that up. Because those are one of the reasons why the hymen, okay, reasons na pwedeng mabutas, mapunit, ma-stretch ang hymen.
Mm.
Biking,
Mm-mm.
okay, yung gymnast,
Yes.
yung mag-split, okay. Yung mga kababaihan ngayon, mga teenagers, miski na wala silang sexual activity, yung gusto nilang maglagay ng tampons,
Mhm.
that's another way of stretching or mapupunit ang hymen, okay? Yung menstrual cup, usong-uso na ngayon yan.
Mhm.
Nilalagay pa sa loob ng puwerta. Okay.
But the thing is, it doesn't matter.
Yes.
Diba? It doesn't matter. Kahit mapunit pa yan.
The presence of the hymen is not equated to virginity.
Mhm.
Fact, in October 2018, the United Nations Human Rights Council stated that there is a need to stop doing virginal testing
Mhm.
on women.
Meron ganun?
Yeah, yung, di ba, gusto mong proof na virgin pa to just by
Mhm.
looking at the hymen.
So, ipapatest.
Kala nila it's a reliable
Mhm.
indicator. Pag may hymen, hindi pa nakikipag-sex yan.
Panic, oo.
Oo.